Hi guys, Amanda here from softwaredev.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock a Security Lockout iPhone on iOS 26, including the lower iOS software versions. Let's get started. Security Lockout happens when too many incorrect passcodes are entered on your iPhone. Apple locks the device to protect your information. If you don't remember the correct passcode, you'll need to erase the device before setting it up again. Here's how to remove the Security Lockout screen using SD iPhone Unlocker. First, free download and install SD iPhone Unlocker on your computer, PC or Mac. Launch the software. On the main interface, select Unlock iOS screen. Hit Start Unlocking. Then, connect your iPhone to your computer with a USB cable. Step 3. Enter recovery mode. Firstly, turn off your iPhone by simultaneously press the volume up button and the side button. Toggle the slider to turn it off. Let your iPhone turn off completely. Hold the side button while connecting it to your computer. The recovery mode is successfully entered, and the software has detected the device. Check that everything looks correct. Click Start Now to download the firmware. Depending on your internet speed, this process may take a few minutes. Wait for the firmware download and verification process to complete. My internet speed is a little slow and it exits the recovery mode during the downloading process. Don't worry, put it in recovery mode again. After the firmware download is ready, click Unlock. Click OK and hit Confirm again. Please note that the process will erase the existing data on your iPhone. The verifying process finished, the unlocking iOS screen process will start automatically. The program shows that the device is unlocked successfully. You should now see the Hello screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your iPhone again. This iPhone is successfully set up. And that's how to unlock a Security Lockout iPhone on iOS 26 using SD iPhone Unlocker. If this video is a little helpful to you, please don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and iOS tips. Thanks for your watching, and I'll see you in the next video.